guys, what's up? Welcome back to a new vlog. I just got to Solid Core, which if you guys don't know what Solid Core is, it's basically like, I think they call it like Megaformer Pilates, but it's just Pilates, but it's like a little bit more intense, like the machine's a little bit different. And I haven't done it since I lived in LA, so I'm really excited. I just took my pre-workout and I like mixed it up. It's just a little pink lemonade. It's called, I have it in here, it's called this. This is not sponsored, by the way. I paid for this myself. Amino Lean. I only do half a serving size and I like it. So that's what we're doing right now. We're about to go and get our Pilates on. And then I am meeting a friend for a little med spa appointment, and then we're gonna do lunch, and then I'm having a cute girls night with Monica. We're making homemade burger bowls, and this video is kind of gonna be like, let's start a healthy lifestyle. Like, not that I haven't been living one, but I think let's commit to it, but also without restrictions, because, you know, I'm still gonna like go out to eat. I'm still gonna have a glass of wine, not today, but at some stage. I'm still going to, you know, eat dessert tonight and all of that. So I don't want to restrict myself with things that I enjoy, but I just want to replace kind of some of the more unhealthy habits with more healthy habits, and, you know, be kind to myself, but also be honest with myself and understand that like there are certain reasons why I wasn't feeling well inside and out for a while, and that was like going out super late, having a ton of cocktails, not taking care of my body the next day, feeling super lethargic, not having a great workout routine. So I feel like I'm really, holy fuck, that dude just scared the shit out of me. He was trying to park and he like pulled up right beside me, and I'm also like so nerdy with my camera, like talking to myself. It's fine, whatever. Anywho's, I'm gonna drink this. It's kind of making me have to pee in my pants. So I'm gonna go in there. I am like 14 minutes early, which is good. I like to like get in there, be able to use the restroom, put my stuff in a locker, get to the machine and stuff, and like I don't want to like rush in there like 5 seconds before class. So yeah, cool. Let's go do that. That's what we're up to right now. And yeah, like let's just start this thing together. I posted on TikTok about this and I got so much awesome feedback from so many of you girls who are kind of going through the same thing where you're just like stuck in a rut. And I feel like the reason why this has always failed for me in the past is because I've cut off things cold turkey. I've tried to be like all or nothing in every aspect of my life. And then I always end up, yeah, I like lose weight or I, you know, get into a good routine, but it's like not sustainable because it's not realistic. And then the second I go back to quote unquote normal life, it all goes down the toilet. And I'm just sick of that. Like, I just want it to be realistic. Like, I shot for Ralph Lauren chaps the other day and I was like, I'm not gonna have any alcohol, whatever. I'm not gonna drink any wine, anything. And then the whole team was like sharing a bottle of wine. And I was like, what is the harm if I have a little bit of wine? Like, I had 1 glass of wine and I was like, see, like this is the mindset that I'm like, I'm either drinking 10 drinks or I'm drinking 0 drinks. And I'm like, I don't need to be like that. You know what I mean? Same with food. Like, there was dessert on the table and it's like, old me, if I was like on a health kick, I'd be like, I'm not having the dessert, you know? But I ate the dessert, I ate the bread, I had 1 glass of wine. Like, yes, was that the healthiest thing? Like, no, but you know what? It's healthiest in terms of longevity, because that's the kind of life I want to live in the future, where like my 80% is healthy and then I have those treats here and there a couple times a week where like I still feel like I'm living life and I'm not depriving myself. And that is, I think, the key to making this sustainable. And that's what we're gonna be doing. Oh fudge, my water bottle I think was just spilling in my seat. Love that. But yeah, I really think that that's gonna be our key to life. And if you guys want to come along with me on this journey, we are going to figure out if that's true, because that's the plan, you know? Anyways, I'm going in. Whoa! Oh my god, you guys, I just died. If you can tell, I have mascara on my effing face. Like, I didn't even realize that as I was leaving. I was just like looking at people talking normal, and I have mascara on my face. Hold on. I need to like fix myself up a little bit. So basically, I'm meeting, like I said, my girlfriend. Well, she's actually my trainer too. Is my camera dirty? Oh no, hold on. I'm meeting my friend who, her name is Paris. She's actually my trainer. I'm gonna show you guys her to the vlog. I haven't like ever really vlogged with her, I don't think. But she's super cute, and we are gonna meet up and hang out for a little bit. But our appointment's not till 1:30. You know what my mind's telling me? Go to Starbucks. You know what I've already had today? Caffeine. But here's the thing. I just did that was a hard ass workout, y'all. Like, hard. So I kind of feel like treat yourself. You know what I mean? Do you agree? Like, should I be having more caffeine? No. But it's fine because I'm gonna walk there. And that's good for me. So instead of driving, we're gonna walk. I was gonna drive, but I'm gonna put in my headphones, listen to a podcast, and take a little walk. It says I'm gonna get there at 1:05. I still don't have to be anywhere until 1:30, and I'm only 2 minutes away from the med spa. So I'm gonna get going.
You're vlogging?
Yeah, hi.
Hi.
Look at little Miss Paris in her brand new house.
Yeah.
Vlogging. We're doing a little dip moment.
It's already been dipped
Devoured?
into.
Oh, that's okay. It's all good.
What is this?
Microphone.
Oh my god.
I know.
Cool.
Guys, I just wanted to wrap up the vlog here. It's been a few days later. I just made some pumpkin almond flour pancakes with my mom, or not with my mom, but for my mom and me, and they were so yummy. And I had a really nice chill weekend. After I hung out at Monica's, I ended up going to Frank's, having a sleepover. The next day we just cuddled, watched Christmas movies. We did go to the gym, but afterwards we just like watched Christmas movies all day, laid around, went for walks with the dog, built a gingerbread house, ate cookies and like sushi and just yummy food. And then yesterday, Frankie and I went for a workout, and then I basically just chilled at home with my mom, decorated the Christmas tree, did all kinds of like Christmassy stuff. I didn't vlog this weekend just because I kind of wanted to just spend time with family and like, I don't know, just really enjoy it, soak it in. But if you're following me on Instagram, you probably would have seen. But today I have a boxing session with my trainer, and I just made a nice yummy breakfast, and I'm gonna get some work done and kind of just like relax around the house. It snowed, so it's like super snowy outside. It looks so cute and pretty. I'm obsessed. And yeah, I just wanted to show this vlog by kind of showing you guys that you can do everything you want to do in terms of living healthy, but you can also indulge and have fun and enjoy the holiday season, enjoy every season of your life, and still enjoy your life to its fullest without feeling like you're depriving yourself. I went to the gym every single day of like the last 4 days or whatever. That doesn't mean I have that all or nothing mentality anymore. You know, if I'm going to the gym, then I have to eat perfectly healthy. If I'm eating healthy for breakfast, then I have to eat perfectly healthy all day. Like, I can't have chocolate if I eat a salad, you know? It just doesn't have to be like that anymore. And I think it's time to grow up and be adults and realize that a healthy lifestyle looks different to every single person. So I kind of titled this video like, let's start a fitness journey, but it's like, we're always evolving. We're always in a journey. Like, it's not a journey with an end, as corny as this is. It's like forever. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I love you all so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.